Hey there, happy Monday, and thank you for checking out today's video. Well, today we're celebrating our Teachers for Teacher Appreciation Week, heading out to Milne Elementary, highlighting seniors making their college plans official, and middle schoolers are out exploring the world through DYAD travel. Let's get started. It is Monday, May 4th. Well, it's Teacher Appreciation Week, and across HISD, we're celebrating the educators who go above and beyond every single day, showing up for our students, our families, and our community. So if you see a teacher this week, make sure you show them some love and some appreciation. And speaking of celebrating our teachers, Campus Close-Up is back this week, and we're out at Milne Elementary, a campus named after the beloved Winnie the Pooh author, where the teachers are the heartbeat of this campus.
And I'm very inspired by every teacher at AA Milne. They just show me so many different ways that I can teach the kids. So it's a lot of give and take here, but it's a lot more give than take.
I absolutely love our teachers. We know that the number one factor in student success are the teachers. And here at Milne, the teachers' expectations, their instruction, their strategies, their dedication to make sure that every student learns from bell to bell is unmatched.
Now, Milne Elementary is a school that has seen some serious academic gains, thanks in large part to Principal Creeks and her leadership. Now, here's what makes this campus visit extra special. So Milne was actually one of the very first HISD schools that I visited more than a year ago. So going back and speaking with Principal Creeks about all the growth they've seen was a true full circle moment. And she shared with me what she remembered about that visit and how Milne is now focusing on what's next.
Came in, did the NES systems right away, even though we weren't NES. And when I tell you the change from a 47 to an 89.3 in just a year and a half.
My story was a little more than a year ago, we came here before we even started doing Campus Close-Up and highlighting our schools. Me and our photographer here, Rob, we came to this school with Miles to see the NES system and see what it was like. And I remember meeting you and hearing you, and you talked about the growth, and everything you talked about that. And I remember seeing your passion behind it. I learned so much about it.
As a matter of fact, I always say this now. When I told him that what we did was just come over the summer, my dad, my kids, parents, teachers, and we cleaned the whole building. We literally took everything out of the building. It was so important to me to make sure that when the kids came back, they came back knowing that things have changed. It's a new day. It looks different. It's fresh. It's new. Let's go.
And we'll have more from Principal Creeks and her amazing staff and students all this week across our socials, so be on the lookout. And now, more big news out of HISD. Shout out to Milby High School Principal Ruth Peña, who's just been named a 2026 HEB Excellence in Education Award winner. Now, here's what makes this moment even more special. So we were actually there when she was first surprised with the nomination. That moment inside a packed Milby cafeteria with students, staff, the band, cheerleaders, and many more, all celebrating her impact in real time. And now she's taken it all the way to the top. She's being recognized as one of the top principals in the entire state of Texas, earning a $10,000 reward and a $25,000 grant for Milby High School. An incredible honor and a huge win for Milby and for HISD. And back in November, we were actually at Milby for Campus Close-Up, highlighting Principal Peña's leadership, her students, and the amazing programs happening there, like culinary arts to standout alumni, making a true impact far beyond the classroom. Now, if you haven't seen that story yet, go check out the Milby playlist right here on our YouTube channel. And we've got more big moments to celebrate across HISD. Congratulations to the seniors who are making their next move official by committing to the University of Houston downtown this fall through UHD's Guaranteed Admission Program. And we're talking about students from across the district, including Scarborough Spartans, Daniel from Challenge Early College High School, and Shelby from Heights High School, all locking in their futures as Gators. Now, this program is all about making college more accessible. There's no application fee, free Wi-Fi thanks to T-Mobile, and guaranteed admission for any HISD senior graduating with a 2.5 GPA or higher. So if you're a senior and UHD is on your list, don't wait. The deadline to apply is June 1st, and you can do that at uhd.edu/gap. And once you're in, students can look forward to a downtown campus, flexible online options, strong academic support, and a student life scene with more than 90 organizations to get involved in. And the excitement doesn't stop there. So this past weekend, even more HISD students took to the skies, continuing those DYAD travel experiences to cities like Washington, D.C. and Nashville. We're talking about students heading through the airport, airport, boarding flights, and getting ready for experiences that they're going to remember for a lifetime. These trips are all part of HISD's DYAD Student Experience program, giving students the chance to step outside the classroom and explore history, culture, and new opportunities in real time. It's hands-on learning in a whole new way, and for many of our students, it's their very first time traveling like this. So we're all wishing them safe travels, and we hope they have a great learning experience on their respective trips. And before we go, 2 quick but important reminders for our HISD families and future team members. First, for our pre-K parents. Now, join us for our upcoming pre-K festival happening May 16th from 9 a.m. to noon at the Mickey Leland Academy. It's a great chance to get your questions answered and make sure you have everything that you need for enrollment. Now, for all the details, dates, requirements, and much more, just head to the School Choice website and click on the pre-K tab. And also on May 16th, for those thinking about joining HISD, if you missed this past weekend's district-wide teacher hiring event, you've got another chance coming up on May 16th from 8 a.m. to noon at Del Mar. Now remember, HISD offers some of the highest starting pay for teachers in the state. But even before that, you can learn what it's like to work in HISD, get information on certification support, and much more during our Teach in HISD virtual info session. The next one is happening Wednesday, May 6th from 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. on Microsoft Teams. You can head to our website, houstonisd.org, and click on the Employees and Careers tab for more information. Well, that is it for today on HISD Now. Thank you so much for watching, and in honor of Teacher Appreciation Week, we're leaving you with some students and staff over at Worthing High School sharing their thoughts. Have a great evening.
I want to say thank you to my teacher, Ms. Phillips and Mr. Turner, for helping me learn in agriculture since I want to be a vet when I go to college.
Hello, my name is Kelly Walker, and I don't have a special teacher I just want to shout out. I have a couple, so I just want to say, so overall of the Worthing teachers that have been there for me, listened, and just taught me and guided me throughout my 4 years here, I want to just say thank you to you all. The ones that I go in class every day and talk to, y'all know that I love you guys, and I'm going to miss you when I leave.
I am the assistant principal here, one of the many assistant principals here at Worthing High School in Sunnyside, Texas. And my message to teachers from the administrative team is how we adore you. The work that you do is more than monumental. How you guys save space for kids, how you create space for kids, how you make them feel comfortable in their skin, how you show up for them every day. We overstand with you and we appreciate you greatly.